Hello guys, my name is Shaniqua and I am back with another cleaning video. For all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And for all my subscribers that already watches on my channel, thank you for following along. So what I'm going to be doing for my motivational Monday cleaning video is I am going to be cleaning the refrigerator. Yes, it's been quite a few weeks since I cleaned the refrigerator. And I am a mom of 7, so yeah, quite often the refrigerator can get quite messy. And unfortunately, that is my situation like every 2 to 3 days. So I recently thought about it and I think that I should be cleaning the refrigerator more often than I do. Normally, I was cleaning it maybe every 2 months. I mean, deep cleaning the refrigerator like every 2 months, but I have a 2 and a 3-year-old and they love to go into the refrigerator and try to make their own drinks and get their own food. So with that being said, I have no choice but to clean the refrigerator at least every 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope I'm able to motivate some of you moms out there who have a house full of children whom typically spill things in the refrigerator on a daily basis. Yeah, so I hope I motivate you guys to go ahead and get your refrigerator clean, because not only am I helping get you guys motivated to clean your refrigerator, but I'm also helping myself become motivated. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get the cleaning.